Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, A Pinch of Positivity. Today, I start with a question. What is life? You can put your comments in the comment box. So, what do you think is life? In modern world, in the current situation, I feel the way most of us are living life, we are treating life like a race. We feel like everyone is running a race, and then there is this desire to come first. We are so obsessed with our goals and ambition that we are willing to do anything to achieve those goals and ambition as soon as possible. In that process, we don't even realize that we are not only doing harm to our mental state and to our physical state, but we are also causing harm and discomfort for other people as well. How? When we are obsessed with goals and ambition and want to achieve that at any cost, we stop paying attention to the need, feeling of others. In fact, what happens is that in that desire to reach our goal and ambition fast, we start using people, we manipulate them, we hurt them, we do not pay attention to their feelings. We, in fact, use them as ladder and want to climb the ladder of success. You know, it is sad that we don't realize that everybody needs to live. Life should be about living and letting the other person live. But in today's world, where life has become a challenge, wants have increased, human is not satisfied with whatever he has, and in an attempt to reach a certain destination, which seems to be a never-ending destination, because one destination is completed, another destination is already in place. So, in order to reach all that destination and goals, we human beings are just running, running, running. It's just like a horse who has the blinders and going in one direction, not looking at any other direction. We have no time for ourselves, we have no time for our family, we have no time for our friends, relatives. We are just rushing through life. And in the end, when we achieve also what we want, it is at what cost? How many people have we hurt in that process? How many dreams of others have we shattered in that process? Do we realize that? So, life to me in this current world has become a race. Everybody is just running, 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 running here and there. Some people with direction, some people with no direction, just running. Some people are just running to satisfy their day-to-day needs. Some people are just running to satisfy their ambitions, and some people are running to satisfy their never-ending greed. But everybody is just running, running, running. I have a small story to share with you all. There was a small boy in a village, and he was very athletic and known to be a very fast runner. He was so good in running that his fame had spread to nearby villages also. And one day, all the villagers got together and decided to have a race in his village, where other runners from different village will participate to challenge this particular boy. On the day of the race, there was one wise old man from another village also who came to witness this race. The first race started, and with ease the small boy won the race. The crowd was jubilated and started clapping. The boy also felt a sense of joy and pride for having won the race. But the old man did not show any emotions and remained silent. A second race was held with other runners from different village, and this time also the boy won with ease. Once again, the villagers clapped with joy and excitement, and the boy felt a sense of joy and pride. The wise old man still remained silent and displayed no sense of emotion. Now the boy was so happy and very proud that he made an open challenge of whoever from any village wants to come and join him in the race and challenge him in the race. No one came forward. The wise old man came to this boy with one old woman and a blind man, and he challenged the boy and asked him, "Let me see if you can beat them at the race." The boy was perplexed. He thought that the wise old man had gone a little mad, but in his pride, he accepted that challenge as well. The race started, and surely the boy won the race, only to see that the old woman and the blind man never moved from their spot. But the boy, in his pride, ignored that and was wondering, why is the crowd not clapping and cheering his win? He was very perplexed. He goes to the old person and he says, "Why is it that the crowd is not cheering me? What happened?" The wise old man tells him, "Okay, you race again with these two people, but this time all three of y'all should reach the finish line at the same time, and then I will answer your question." The boy doesn't understand anything, but he does what the wise old man tells him to do. He goes to the startup line, he takes the hand of the woman and the blind man, and he starts the race at their pace. Slowly, but eventually, all three reach the finish line, and the crowd goes ecstatic. They start clapping, and everybody stands and starts clapping. The boy is confused now. He goes to the wise old man and he says, "Who won? And who is the crowd cheering for?" The wise old man tells him, "This time, nobody won, nobody lost, but in the race of life, my friend, what you did, you won." The boy says, "How?" He says, "Life is not about running, racing, and winning. Life is about helping those who need your help around you, holding their hand, motivating them, and completing the finishing line of life." You know, it's such a beautiful story. We are only racing, rushing to come first, and then all the, in that process, we are so blinded by our vision, by our goals and ambition, that we don't see anything around. We crush everything and everybody that comes around us. In that process, we become tired, frustrated, angry, manipulative, and when we keep tasting success, we become pride, ego comes in us, and we don't see anything apart from me, me, and me. To me, to answer my initial question, what is life? For me, life is a journey. It is a journey that can be lived two ways. Either alone, independent, pursuing our goals, rushing through life and making your life miserable, or a splendid, beautiful journey. Having goals and ambitions, no problem. But in working towards goals and ambition, working together with people around you, helping others, caring for their needs, feeling the pain of others, giving a helping hand, supporting somebody, lifting the weak, walking together, and moving along towards achieving our goals and ambitions. You know, when you lead a life where you help others, you help the people who are weak, you support people around you, you are concerned about the feeling and emotions of others, and you move around and you move along with themselves. That journey of life is so beautiful, so achieving, so satisfying. No, I don't understand that when we can lead a life which is so beautiful, with so relaxed, so composed, bringing smile to people around us, bringing smile to our family, friends, relatives, and yet achieving our goals, then why do we have to rush through life? How much is it that we want in life that will satisfy us? You know, if you have not learned the art of contentment, that no matter how much you have, you will never be satisfied. There will be no limit. But if you learn the art of contentment, be happy with what you have and continue to achieve whatever goals you want and spread happiness you. Around you means your friends, family, colleagues, neighbors, anybody whom you come in contact, help them, support them, be sensitive to their pain, be sensitive to their feelings, their emotions. When you do that, you multiply the happiness in your life tenfold. And you lead such a contented, nice, and a happy, peaceful life. I don't know what your definition of life is, but just answer one question. What is your ultimate goal in life? Just close your eyes, think, and what is your ultimate goal in life? I believe that if you close your eyes and listen to your heart, the ultimate goal of life would be to be happy, peaceful, having fulfilled your responsibility. And what is stopping you from being happy now, contented now? Think about it. And I'm sure that you yourself will get those answers. Life is a journey, my friend, with a lot of people joining us, walking with us, somebody leaving the journey, somebody joining the journey. One day we will also leave them and complete our journey of this life. Let's live a life full of contentment, full of satisfaction, helping anyone and everyone around us and working together for a better, happy life. God bless you, my friends. Have a great life.